It's Sama here, back to you with a new dish. So today I'll be showing you a recipe which will be special for the coming Eid al-Adha. This is a beef recipe made in the Afghani style, and I tried to use less oil in this recipe to keep it a little healthy. So let's go on and check out how to make this beef curry. Firstly, in a pressure cooker we heat about 1/4 cup of oil. Then we pour in 1 kg of beef pieces. They may be boneless or bone-in, that doesn't matter. Then we give them a little bit of mix and cook for 7 to 8 minutes. Next I'm adding 1 teaspoon or as per taste salt and then mix a bit. Now we add about 2 cups of water and give it a slight mix. Now we pressure cook for 6 to 10 whistles or until the beef is properly cooked. Meanwhile, in another pan we heat about 3/4 cup of oil for making the crispy fried onions or the beresta. Here we pour 1 cup of chopped onions and we will fry them in this manner on low flame until they get a nice golden brown color and crisp. Now we are transferring this to a plate. On the other hand, our beef is properly cooked. The meat has tenderized. Now time for the gravy. We are using the same pan in which we fried the onions, but we have removed the oil and we can use that oil for other cooking purposes. Now we are pouring the cooked beef along with its stock. Remember, the stove is still turned on. Now by turning on the stove we give the beef a slight mix and one by one pour in the spices. Firstly 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, then 2 tablespoons of onion paste and again a slight mix. Then we pour 2 chopped tomatoes and mix on a medium flame. Then we pour 3 finely chopped green chilies and again mix for a bit. Now we keep it covered until the tomato skins are cooked. At this stage we add about half a cup of water, give a slight mix and again keep it covered. As the tomatoes are now cooked, we are now adding half teaspoon of whole spices powder and half teaspoon of white pepper. Then by adding about 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, we give it a bit of mix. Next on we add our crispy fried onions by crushing a bit with hands. Next we add half a cup of yogurt and half a cup of water and then we give a good mix. And then we cover it and cook for 4 to 5 minutes on low flame. In the midst I am adding some salt to balance the taste and again covering it after a mix. And finally the curry is ready to be garnished, serve and enjoy. So our beef gravy in Afghani style is ready, and to be true, they not just only look delicious but also taste delicious. I bet you won't regret trying this recipe at home. So be sure to try this recipe at home and do tell me in the comment box below as to how was yours. Hope you all liked the video. Please hit that thumbs up button down there and please subscribe to the channel to stay updated about my new videos. And lastly, thank you all for watching the video. Hoping to see you again in the next video.